Okay, this walk around video is of a 2019 used Buick Enclave. It has the dark galvanized leather interior. It's also got dual sunroofs, remote start, 2 keys, power lift gate. This is the newest, latest body style, so it's on the bigger chassis. It is all-wheel drive. It has the reverse backup camera and parking sensors, and it only has 20-some-odd thousand miles, so super clean car. There is a full walk around. This is in HD, so you should be able to pause and see any imperfections if there are any. Only one I noticed right off the bat is a small scratch right here that we can touch up with white touch-up paint, but it looks really good. Let's take a look at these tires. I'm gonna turn that steering wheel so that we can see them a little better. There's your power lift gate. You've got power mirrors and door locks, obviously. These tires, though, are like brand new. I mean, they're the original tires, only 20,000 miles, and these are going to be probably a 70,000 mile tire, 50 to 70. I think they rate them on these SUVs in that mileage range. So there you go, 23,963 miles. You've got, put it in reverse so you can see the backup camera. Check out this shifter though. This new European style shifter is pretty awesome. So push the button on the side, forward, there's neutral, over, there's reverse, and there is our backup camera. And as you can see, it has the guidance line, so as I turn the steering wheel, it shows where we're going to be heading. And then if I just push the park button, we're in park. This one's got heated seats, push button start, all the controls on the steering wheel, and like I said, it does have dual sunroofs or moonroofs or whatever you're looking at. It's got the home link buttons for your programmable garage door opener, and then one nice feature on this one, you've got the bucket seats in the middle. Let's go check those out in the back. So one thing I like about these is they'll fold flat. Sorry for the camera angle. When they have the room, they'll fold flat. The back seats fold flat also, the third row. So this vehicle still will seat 7. This is full size. There's quite a bit of room, and if you look here, with the seat, if you split the difference between the middle seats, everybody has a lot of leg room and can sit comfortably on long drives. I was saying it has the power lift gate. You can open that from the key or from the button, and what's really nice is these have quite a bit bigger storage capacity and with the third row up compared to the previous body style. And then my very favorite thing right here, look at the depth on this storage. That is huge. So the other vehicle that shares the same platform and has the same kind of seating arrangement and storage capacity is the Chevy Traverse. So you get a lot more when you get the Buick. And what I mean by that is you're going to get a 4-year 50,000 bumper-to-bumper warranty with a 6-year 70,000 powertrain warranty. So the Buick comes with a few more extras. It's got the Buick Ride. It's a little quieter, a little more sound dampening. You pay just a little bit more, but you pay a little and you get a lot. So let me know if there's any further questions. Love to answer those for you. My name's Todd Johnson at Newby Buick GMC. Call or text me 435-668-9159. That's 435-668-9159.